Yo, what's up guys? Engineer Ken here. So ngayon, meron tayong solve na problem about AC circuits. Okay. Pero bago yan, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel natin, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos natin. And kung magustuhan mo tong video, please hit that like button naman. Okay, so meron tayong problem dito. A delta 3-phase 4-wire secondary 240:120 volts would have a high leg to neutral voltage of what? So first, siguro mag-drawing muna tayo ng diagram natin. So meron tayo ditong delta connected source. Yan. So, lagay natin ang lines. And siguro maglalagay na ako ng neutral dito sa baba. So, nilagay ko yung neutral in between the nodes natin. Ito, saka ito. So, A, B, C, and yung neutral. So, saan nga ba natin makukuha yung high leg to neutral voltage natin or yung tinatawag na bastard voltage sa delta? So since naglagay tayo dito ng neutral between B and C, so kung titignan natin yung diagram, yung opposite nung neutral na part is yung line A. So kung mi-measure ngayon natin yung from A to neutral, so dyan natin makukuha ngayon yung tinatawag na bastard voltage or high leg to neutral voltage. So, alam naman natin, 'di ba? Meron tayong 240 volts. So, line to line 'yan. So, kung titingnan natin from A to B, from A to C or from B to C, makukuha nating voltage is 240 volts. Then, line to neutral naman. So, from B to N and C to N, ang voltage naman natin is 120 volts. So ngayon, paano natin makukuha yung A to N? So simple lang. So alam naman natin, 'di ba, na meron tayong from A to N and meron tayong voltage across A and B na 240 volts. And meron tayong voltage across B and N na 120 volts. So ngayon, i-add lang natin yung voltage in between those two. Pero, kailangan nating makuha yung phasor angle natin. So, let's say from A to B, meron tayong VAB. So, 240. Gawin nating reference to. So, 0 degree volt. Then, from VBC naman, 240 angle. So, assuming ABC sequence, so positive sequence tayo. So, magiging 240 degrees volts to. And VCA naman, 240, 120 degrees volts. So, yung ABC sequence natin, so assume natin na ganito yung angle difference nung tatlo. Yan. So, nauna yung A sa B, nauna yung B sa C, and nauna yung C sa A. So, ganito yung rotation natin. So, since A natin yung 0 degrees, tapos yung B naman natin 240, since 120 plus 120 is 240, and yung VCA naman natin is 120. So yan, from A to C, 120 degrees. Okay. So since alam na natin yung mga voltage natin, so ngayon titignan naman natin ngayon yung voltage natin from B to N. So 'di ba meron tayong B to C na 240 angle of 240 degrees volts. So kapag kalahati niyan yung kunin natin, so V, BN So, magiging, divide lang natin ng 2 to. So, 240 divided by 2, angle of 240. Which is equal to 120 angle 240 volts. Okay. So, ngayon, meron na tayong VAB, meron na tayong VBN. So, ang gagawin na lang natin is, i-add natin to. So, VAN, which is yung bastard voltage natin or high leg to neutral voltage. So, add natin yung VAB plus VBN. So, VAB, 240 angle 0 plus 120 angle 240 degrees. So, kung titignan natin yan, ang sagot niyan is, so, using complex mode ng ating calculator, so, 240 angle of 0 plus 120 angle of 240. So, yan. So, kung titignan natin, meron tayong 207.8 angle negative 30 degrees volts. Pero since ang kukunin lang natin is magnitude, so ito yung magnitude natin. 207.8 or approximately 208 volts. Kaya ang sagot natin dito sa problem na to is letter A, 208 volts. Ayun. So, kung gusto naman natin ng shortcut, so mabilisan lang. So, gagawin natin dito, kung titignan natin to, 240 angle 120 volts. So, kukunin lang natin itong line to neutral natin na 120. So, since same lang naman ito ng magnitude, so itong A, B, B, C, and C, A. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito sa 120 na to, so shortcut ito 120 times square root of 3 lang natin. So, kung titignan natin kung ano yung value, 120 square root of 3. So, ayun. So, 207.8. So, makukuha na natin yung magnitude natin na 208 volts. So, same lang dun sa nakuha natin kanina na 208. Okay, so, pwedeng ganito yung gawin nyo. And pwede rin yung shortcut natin. So, this is for VAN. Ayan. So, magnitude lang ito.